Welcome back to our video session. We have been discussing the first chapter, multimedia and desktop publishing, in the previous videos. I hope so. Most of you are going through your videos and learning from your home. Finish your assignments. Keep your classworks ready. When the school reopens up, please submit the assignments and classworks. Of course, it's a pandemic situation. Please take care of your health. At the same time, do not waste your time. Time is very, very precious. Try to learn your lessons from home. We are going to see a new chapter today. The chapter name is An Introduction to Adobe PageMaker. And these are the contents we are going to see today. One is desktop publishing, introduction to Adobe PageMaker, opening PageMaker, creating a new document and toolbox, entering text in a document and editing text in a document, copying and moving text, deleting text. First, let us go inside this lesson. First, what is DTP? It stands for desktop publishing. Creation of documents using page layout software. It is a creation of documents using page layout software on a personal computer. Of course, you know you can place your personal computer on desktop and work. Since these softwares are used in the systems to create page layouts, we can call that as desktop publishing softwares. What is page layout? It's a part of graphic design that deals in the arrangement of visual elements on a page. Now look at your screen. We have some magazines here. In magazines, we can see some text and pictures, right? This type of graphic designs are created by using your page layout softwares. So only they say it is a part of graphic design that deals in the arrangement of visual elements on a page. Are you clear? Right. Some of the DTP softwares available in the market. One you're learning about in your book is Adobe PageMaker 7.0, Adobe InDesign, Quark Express. We have some more DTP softwares in the market: CorelDRAW, iStudio Publisher, Adobe FrameMaker, Adobe Illustrator. First, we'll see what is Adobe PageMaker. Of course, Adobe PageMaker is a page layout software. It is used to design and produce documents that can be printed. You can create anything from a simple card to a large book. Page layout softwares include tools that allow you to easily position the text and graphics on document pages. We'll learn how will you open an Adobe PageMaker. To open Adobe PageMaker, click Start, All Programs, choose Adobe, then choose Adobe PageMaker 7.0, then Adobe PageMaker 7.0. The Adobe PageMaker window will come like this on the screen. How will you create a new document? File, New document setup dialog box. That is, go to file menu, choose new option. From new option, choose document setup dialog box. If you are familiar with your shortcut keys of your keyboard, you can use your Control plus N to open your new document. The document setup dialog box looks like this on the screen, where we have a page size. By default, the page size will be letter. What's the dimensions of the page? 8.5 into 11 inch. Number of pages is 1. Margins, we have top, bottom, inside, outside. These are the default values of the margins. Do not change anything here. Once this options are correct, just give OK button on your document setup dialog box. The screen looks like this, what you see on your PowerPoint screen. We have a title bar, we have a menu bar, we have a toolbar, we have a ruler, we have a toolbox, we have vertical scroll bar, and we have a horizontal scroll bar. Then at the center of the window, we have your page maker page, which contains a dark black border. The area outside this dark black border is called paste board. Then at the left side of your window, we are able to see a small icon to indicate how many pages you have created in this document. Are you clear what I'm saying? Right? First, we'll learn about what is pasteboard. Whenever you create a new document, by default, the new document name will be Untitled 1. The area outside the dark border is called as pasteboard. Anything that is placed on the pasteboard will not be visible when the document is printed. Are you able to see a pasteboard here? So this pasteboard is completely outside the dark black border of the page. You can use this pasteboard for temporarily hold elements while designing your document. Of course, the top of the page contains title bar. What does the title bar contain? Name of the application window. Of course, we are using Adobe PageMaker 7.0. What's the name of the document? Untitled 1. Right side of your window, we have your control buttons, minimize, maximize, and close. Below your title bar, we have your menu bar. Menu bar contains the menu options like file, edit, layout. Once you click on this menu items, a pull down menu appears. We can choose the options from the pull down menu. Next to your menu bar, we have your toolbar. If you place the mouse pointer on the button in the toolbar, a short text will appear as it is description called tooltip. When you place this mouse pointer towards this toolbar items, a short description of that tool will appear on the screen. Then this is your toolbox. To show your toolbox, go to Windows menu, choose Show Tools. To hide your toolbox, go to Windows menu and choose Hide Tools. Right? A toolbox will always appear on the left side of the Adobe PageMaker. These are the elements available in Adobe PageMaker's toolbox. Pointer tool, text tool, rotating tool, cropping tool, line tool, constraint line tool, rectangle tool, rectangle frame tool, ellipse tool, ellipse frame tool, polygon tool, polygon frame tool, hand tool, zoom tool. Of course, scroll bars. I said you we have two types of scroll bars, vertical, horizontal. Vertical scroll bar is used for moving up and down. Horizontal scroll bar is used for moving left and right on the document. Two types of ruler, top, left side. To show rulers, we can choose view, show ruler. To hide ruler, we can choose view, hide ruler. Now we are going to learn what is entering the text in the document. Type the text in the text block. The text tool is used to create text block. As the text is typed, a flashing vertical bar, which is known as insertion pointer, moves to the right. The enter key has to be pressed only at the end of each line or paragraph, or a blank line has to be inserted. What is editing text? Editing means making changes to the document by inserting text, by deleting text, by correcting text, by moving and copying the text to different places. Selecting text. We can select text by two ways, either by mouse or by keyboard. If you want to select text using mouse, place the insertion point to the left of the first character to be selected. Press the left mouse button and drag the mouse to the position where you want to stop selecting. Release the mouse button. The selected text gets highlighted. We can even select text using keyboard. Place the insertion point to the left of the first character you wish to select. The shift key is pressed down and the movement keys are used to highlight the required text. When the shift key is released, the text is selected. You can double click to select a word. You can triple click to select a paragraph. These are the keyboard shortcut keys. How to select one character to the left, shift plus left arrow. How to select one character to the right, shift plus right arrow. How to move one line up, shift plus up arrow. How to move one line down, shift plus down arrow. How to go to the end of the current line, shift plus end. How to go to the beginning of the current line, shift plus home. How to select the entire document, control plus A. Of course, deleting text. You can easily delete a character or a word or a block of a text by using backspace key or by using your delete key. To delete character, do the following. Position the insertion point to the left of the character to be deleted. Press delete key. If you want to delete by using backspace, position the insertion point to the right of the character to be deleted. So we can understand the difference between delete key and backspace from this sentence. Delete key deletes left of the character. Backspace key deletes to the right of the character. Okay. To delete a block of text, select the text to be deleted. Press delete or backspace key or use edit clear. If you want to undo your action, you can use edit undo or you can press your control plus Z, a shortcut key in the keyboard. To undo means to reverse the action of the last command what you have done. Copying and moving text, you are very, very familiar about this topic because you have learned much in your Windows. Copying and pasting the text, cut and pasting commands of the page maker can be used to copy text from one location or document and paste in other another location. What does copying mean by? The copying command creates a duplicate copy of a selected text, leaving the original text unchanged. The paste command pastes the copied text at the position where the insertion point is placed. Steps to copy the text. Select the text to be copied. Choose Edit, Copy, or Control plus C in the keyboard. Or click the right mouse button and choose Copy from the pop-up menu. Insertion point is moved to the place where the text is to be pasted. Choose Edit, Paste in the menu bar, or press Ctrl plus V in the keyboard. Click the right mouse button and choose Paste from the pop-up menu. The text can be pasted in this way to another location. These are the keyboard shortcuts for copy and paste. Ctrl plus C is the shortcut key for copy. Ctrl plus V is the shortcut key for paste. Steps to move the text. Select the text to be moved. Choose Edit, Cut in the menu bar, or choose Ctrl plus X. Insertion point is moved to the place where the text is to be pasted. Choose Edit, Paste, or Ctrl plus V. This is the shortcut key for cut and paste, Ctrl plus X and Ctrl plus V. Right? Now, we are going to see all these topics by practical. Let me share your Adobe PageMaker window. This is your Adobe PageMaker window. Let me teach you the first, the toolbox. Left side of your window, we have your toolbox. And this toolbox contains some elements. The first one is pointer tool. A tool used to select and resize text, objects, and graphics. We use pointer tool. Text tool used to type, select, and edit text. Rotating tool used to select and rotate objects. Cropping tool used to trim imported graphics. Line tool used to draw straight lines in any direction. Constraint line tool used to draw vertical or horizontal line. Rectangle tool used to draw squares and rectangles. Rectangle frame tool used to create rectangle placeholders for text and graphics. Ellipse tool used to draw circles and ellipse. Ellipse frame tool used to create elliptical placeholders for text and graphics. Polygon tool used to draw polygon. Polygon frame tool used to create polygon placeholders for text and graphics. Hand tool used to scroll the page. Zoom tool used to magnify, reduce an area of the page. Now we'll see all the tools one by one. First, we will see what is text tool. Select the text tool from the toolbox. Draw on your page. Expand the width of the text tool as much as possible. Once you select your text tool, we can see control palette window. We call as character control palette window coming at the bottom of your screen. Now increase your font size. I'm increasing the font size to 18. Now I am typing here like this. Adobe Page Maker is a page layout software, right? Then Adobe Page Maker, Adobe Page Maker window contains Toolbox. Some text you can type here. Then in Page Maker, the text of the document can be typed inside text block. See, this text is being typed with help of your text tool. Of course, we cannot see the text block on the screen. To make the text block visible, you have to select this text what you have typed by using your pointer tool. Now we can see the text block. This is called the text block, which contains a dark square at the top and bottom of the text block, and then we have a window shade. We'll be learning in the later part of this lesson how to create text blocks. Then this is called constraint line tool. A line tool used for drawing an horizontal line, then a vertical line. Then this is called as your rotating tool. Select the rotating tool. We can rotate the line on the screen. And this is called as cropping tool. We can use this tool to trim imported graphics. Let me insert an image here. The image size is very big because it's a JPEG image. Let me reduce the size of the image. Now I can use this crop tool to trim the size of the image. Then this tool is called rectangle tool, used to draw rectangle. This tool is called ellipse tool, to draw ellipse. This tool is called polygon tool, to draw polygon tool on the screen. Apart from that, we have rectangle frame tool, we have ellipse frame tool, we have polygon frame tool. Let me explain about this now. Let me delete the objects what I've created. Are you clear what I'm saying? Try to practice this in your home. If you have your desktop or a laptop in your home, try to download your Adobe PageMaker software from internet and try to work out in this home. Right? Let me draw a rectangle tool one more time. After drawing, I choose my text tool. I draw inside rectangle. I type here, welcome to Adobe Page Maker. Since the font size is very small, we cannot see the text. So select your text. Increase the font size. Now you can see what I have typed here. Right. Now select this rectangle tool with the help of your pointer and try to drag the rectangle down. When you push or when you move the rectangle, the text remains on the same place, but the rectangle has been moved. Are you able to see this? Right. Now, sir, I want to even move the text along with the rectangle. For this purpose, we use your rectangle frame tool. Now draw the rectangle frame tool. Then after drawing rectangle frame tool, select your text tool. Now type the content. Welcome to Adobe Page Maker. Please select the text what you have typed. Increase your font size. Right? Now select this tool with the help of your pointer and drag it. When you drag it, we can see the rectangle frame tool is moved. Along with that, the text is also moved. Are you clear? Hand tool. When you have multiple pages, to scroll up and down of your pages, you can use your hand tool. And this is called as your zoom tool. To magnify the area, we can use your zoom tool. Okay. Now we'll learn how to select text and how to copy and paste text. First, we should know what's the meaning of editing. Editing means making changes to the text when you edit a document. Editing contains some tasks such as inserting, deleting words what you have typed in the document. Okay, va? Right. Let me type some text here. I am typing here. Welcome to Adobe Page Maker. It is one of the page layout software. Creation of documents using page layout software. See, the text is very small, so please select the text. Enlarge the font size so it is visible to you. Now I'm going to teach you how to select the text with the help of keyboard. Place your insertion point to the left of the character which you wish to select. Now this is the insertion point. The flashing vertical bar, what you see on the screen is called insertion point. Use your shift key. Use your shift key and your movement keys, what you see on the keyboard. This is the way to select the text with the help of your keyboard. We can even select text with the help of your mouse. Place the insertion point where you want to select with the help of your mouse. We can see the flashing vertical bar there. Select from there, press your left mouse click and drag. The selected text is highlighted. Then, to select a particular word, double click next to that word. We can select that word. To select a paragraph, triple click. So a paragraph is being selected. So this is the way to select a word and to select a paragraph. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy. Of course, you know what's the shortcut key for copy. Control plus C is the shortcut key for copy. To copy your content, we can even use your edit menu. Go to edit menu and choose copy. Right? Let me choose the content first. Then go to edit, choose copy. Then paste the content. I keep on pasting. Right? Now select the text. The text is very small to see on the screen. Let me increase the font size a little bit. Right. Now this is the way to copy and paste. Copy, we can use Control plus C, the shortcut key, or you can go to edit menu and choose copy. Same way, to paste, we can go to edit and choose paste. If you are well versed in a shortcut key, you can use your Control plus V. Are you clear what I'm saying? So you all know, copy command creates a duplicate of a selected text. See, the duplicate content is being created once I create copy command. Now I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to cut and paste. Let me select some text here. Right. Now go to edit menu, choose cut. The selected text disappears on the screen. Now place the insertion point anywhere in the page where you want to paste. Go to edit, paste. The content is being pasted. The shortcut key for cut and paste, Control plus X is to cut and Control plus V is to paste. Even we can copy and paste or we can cut and paste. Of course, now the insertion point is at the last line of your document. Now I use my backspace key. Backspace key deletes the character to the what side? Right side of the character. Right? Delete key deletes towards your left side of the character. Right? Then we have some more keyboard shortcuts. For example, they say to move one character left, shift plus left arrow. Are you able to see on the screen? To move one character right, use shift plus right arrow. Okay. To end of the current line, right, use shift plus end to move to the end of the line. To go to the beginning of the line, for example, now the cursor is blinking at the end of the line. I mean to say insertion point. Use your shift plus home. Right? To select the entire document, Control plus A. To select the entire document. Right? To undo your action, Control plus Z. Okay, if you do not want to do any action, you can use your Control plus Z. Okay, and that's all for today's video session. Please go through these video sessions once or twice and learn from your home. Do not waste your time. Those who have system in home, you can practice this in your home. That's all for today's video session. We'll meet in the next video session. Thank you.